Ano daw yung tips natin na may mga nagtatanong para daw makabuo ng mura pero magandang bahay? Ang tip ko is mag-set kayo ng budget talaga na hindi pwedeng lumampas doon. When you say na ito lang talaga, ito lang talaga. And be wise. Mag-Google kayo, mag-search kayo ng mga murang materials pero maganda naman. And ikaw, anong tip mo?
Special, direct nyo sa engineer nyo na specifically, ito yung budget namin. Hindi na namin kayang lumampas. So, syempre, yung engineer nyo magsasabi na ito lang yung equipments natin, ito lang yung materials natin. And then, you need to agree.
Yes.
Dapat halfway kayo na, baka pwedeng itaas ng konti, itataas niya as much as possible na capable siyang within the budget.
Bonus din, nakakilala mo dapat yung engineer.
Special thanks to our engineer, Bongbong Berberabe. Bongbong and Engineer Shari for helping us out.
Bless ka kasi kababata mo yun.
Yeah.
Laking Puerto Galera din. Alam namin na talagang hindi kami niloko at saka hindi kami pinabayaan. And lastly, actually, ito dapat ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. You have to pray about it and you have to discuss it. You have to agree, both your mag-asawa, dahil tandaan nyo, ang pera nyo as one kayo dyan. At ang pera natin is kay God yan. So, let's spend it wisely. Yep. Okay? So, we hope that you love this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to
like,
share, and subscribe to our comment down below.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and thank you so much. So I hope that marami pa kaming maibibigay sa inyo ng magagandang video in the future. Please don't forget to love us. Bye. God bless.
God bless.